A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to Global Online. And yes, here we are with our NTA and UGC NET JRF preparation for December 2023 examination with respect to paper 1, and the unit today which we have taken is Information and Communication Technology. This is an introductory lecture which we have started for all the units for your December 2023 preparation. Now, in order to, before we go ahead with this session, let's understand what is an important announcement that yes, we are starting with our new batches which are coming soon, that is from 1st of July. Now, these batches are for the preparation of your December 2023 cycle. Now, exactly what is going to happen in this batches, that is the strategy class will be taken on 1st of July. But I'll give you an overview exactly what we are going to do is, we are going to study first of all the theoretical concepts which are with respect to all the units, that is starting from teaching aptitude till people development, and environment, including higher education. So all these concepts, especially the concepts which are been very common in the latest cycle. At the same time, after the concepts are clear, we will be going for MCQ preparation. Now in MCQs, we will be taking two things. One, we will be also dealing with previous year question papers, and then we will be doing practice questions also, which will help you to prepare yourself better for your upcoming examination, that is December 2023 cycle. Apart from this, Global Online also has, you can go on the Google Play Store and download Global Online app. This is how the interface looks like. Once you download the app, you have to register yourself with the registered mobile number so that you can see exactly what is, maintained, what exactly has the app consist of. So this is how the interface looks like. You will be definitely getting lot of courses details. So in categories, you have to select the UGC NET course, and then you can see all the categories of these courses for UGC NET. Now, if you go in the content part, you will be seeing that there are various folders. These folders are as per the unit, as per the sub topics, where all the video lectures are provided for every topic, subtopic, including the test, including the questions, so that it will be easier for you to ensure, your preparation for 2023 cycle, that is December 2023. In case if you have any problem, any error or any difficulty, we have given you the WhatsApp number. You can just get in touch with us on these WhatsApp number in order to get the information very well. At the same time, apart from your paper, apart from your paper 1, if you are preparing for paper 2 also, so yes, for paper 2 also we have the following subjects which are on the screen. So with this respect to these subjects, we provide MCQ as well as we provide notes, and this is all available at a fee cost of ₹1600, where you have a 20% off. So this is available at 1280. So this is all available at Global Online. In order to get an inquiry for the same, or in order to avail your copy, you can please get in touch with us. At the same time, now we will see a small topic on information and communication ICT, that is Information and Communication Technology, which will help you to start with your preparation with a small step for your 2023, that is 2023 cycle. Greeting to all the students. Welcome to Global Online. Here we are here to present the demo lecture for paper 1 on the unit Information and Communication Technology. So you know very well, for your paper 1, Information and Communication Technology, that is ICT unit, stands to be unit number 8, wherein we have certain subtopics. So we'll just have a syllabus look exactly what subtopics we have and how many sessions we are going to take to complete these subtopics. So the first subtopic is ICT, that is General Abbreviation and Terminology, where we have 3 sessions. We'll be taking 3 sessions to conduct that particular, we complete that particular portion or topic. When I'm saying about 3 sessions, it is basically, and why I have highlighted certain subtopics, it states that these subtopics, there is definitely a question out of it. Nowadays, what is seen in recent cycles of UGC question paper, there are a lot of terms which are normally abbreviated. So it's not only in ICT, in any of the other units also. So you have to be very confirm or clear with your terms of ICT as an abbreviation. Fine. Then second topic, subtopic is basis of internet and intranet. Yes, there are definite short questions on internet, intranet, audio conferencing, video conferencing. So we will be doing it in detail, which will take again 4 sessions to complete the subtopic. Digital initiatives, yes. Now, digital initiatives, what we are going to do is, initiatives, we are going to see all the digital initiatives, whether it is belonging to higher education, people development and environment, or it is belonging to teaching aptitude, or it is belonging to communication, under this heading only. So it may also require one more extra session that we will, when we will start the actual theory, that if required, we'll take one extra session for this. So if it is 4 sessions, we will do 4 sessions so that we can complete all the digital initiatives, the latest ones also. And then ICT and governance, the rules, regulations, which are basically formed in order to make sure that, there is a security, privacy is maintained, importance is given to the all the security terms. So again, 4 sessions will be required to complete this topic. Now, starting with, first of all, what is computer network? So a network which is set up by connecting 2 or more computers, including the support system for hardware devices through communication channel, is called as a computer network. Now, this computer network enables or helps the computer to communicate with each other and share not only the commands, but also the data and rest of the things, including the hardware and software resources. Now, if you find, okay, this is what we understood with the meaning, but how does practically or how application based does this networks are helpful? So it will allow you to share, the resources such as printers as well as scanners. You can share software resources and database among network users. It will facilitate communication from one computer to another in a network system. And it will also allow the exchange of data information among the users through that specific network. Now, networks are of various types. That's what we are going to study in detail. But these are the major advantages of computer network for any of the organization, or maybe for the, and for the commercial use. So now let's see how does it is helpful with the help of various types of network. So under types of network, basically we are going to study this 3. Apart from that, also we are going to add certain network, that is local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network, that is LAN, MAN, and WAN. So when we talk about local area network, so you should know this abbreviation. As I said, LAN is nothing but it is called as local area network. In the form of match the following, you can get the question for type and their characteristics or description. So when we talk about local area network, the local area network is a computer network that operates in a small area. So basically it operates in a small area. It connects computer in a small geographical area, like, the offices, the organizations, schools, or any other organizations, so that they can be used with various functions. Here, they are also, they also exist within a specific area, like your home network, your office network, or school network. So who all are using those will be getting an advantage of it, and it will be helpful for the people to go ahead. Okay. Now, with their work profile. Apart from that, when we talk about MAN, now what is MAN? MAN is nothing but it is called as the metropolitan area network. So it is a high-speed network that spreads over a large geographical area compared to LAN. So geographically, MAN is covering more coverage, such as metro city or town. It is a setup by connecting the local area network using the routers or the local telephone exchange lines. So example of MAN can be cable TV network, telephone services which provides high speed DS lines, or connected fire stations, or connected branches of a school in a city. So you just see the geographically, it is, it is capturing much of the part or much of the area. Wide area network, that is WAN, which is larger geographical area. So now if we compare LAN, MAN and WAN, so WAN gets, larger geographical area. It is not only confined to any specific offices, school, city or town, but it is, it is linked with multinational companies to communicate with their branches, with their customers across the world, which is taking place, which take care across the world. Although it is structurally similar to MAN, but it is different in terms of ranges. So MAN covers up to 50 kilometers, whereas WAN will cover larger than 15 kilometers. That is, take an example, 1000 kilometers or more, even more. So this is what the benefit which is seen in the WAN network. So we studied 3 networks. One is LAN, one is MAN, and one is WAN. Okay. And we have seen its uses also, its capacity also, which will help you to remember. Again, capacity wise, area wise, they can give you a question. The question can be framed, which you have to basically make sure that you are knowing it very well, even example wise also. Now, going ahead is next point is about the diagrammatic presentation, and also we have their a diagrammatic presentation of understanding their functioning. So local area network, as I said, a computer network that interconnects the computer within a limited span, either a residential place or a school or a laboratory or a campus of a university. So this can be the main server, and this is how the network gets connected with the help of various systems. Okay, so this is one is called as LAN, that is local area network. Now when we go ahead, we have wide area network, that is WAN. Okay, as I said, geographically, which is much more feasible. So it has a large geographical area which extends for the networking purpose, and it is established with least telecommunication circuits. So why you can less amount of telecommunication circuits are used. Diagrammatically, this can be a presentation. We also studied MAN, metropolitan area network, wherein the office building, a residential area, the school campus, the university campus gets connected. Geographically, WAN is much more higher geographical span compared to MAN. So we have completed LAN, we have completed MAN, we have completed WAN and MAN also. Now CAN is nothing but it is campus area network. Okay, so campus, so one specific campus wherein the hostel or the library well gets connected. So that is called as CAN. Coming to the next network storage is SAN. Now, what is SAN? SAN is specialized high-speed network that provides, various network access to the storage in the form of host or the switches or storage elements or storage devices which are connected using variety of technology as well as protocols. So this has been found with the help of SAN. Okay. Now see, so we have added 2 extra networks, that is CAN, campus area network, and SAN, that is storage area network. Fine. Now, if you see diagrammatically, if you talk about, so this particular slide is very important. Where I have given the area wise. So basically, if at a personal level, we use a PAN network, that is personal area network. Then we go with a LAN, that is the local area network. Then we go with MAN, that is metropolitan, and then we go with WAN, that is wide area network. So which is much more wider, it's WAN. So numerically also you can keep them number wise. So you can rank them and keep them in mind. Speed wise, I have given in case if you get a question speed wise, range wise, or application wise, you should be able to write up the question. Okay, like for example, application of PAN. It's peer-to-peer, person-to-person, or a device-to-device. LAN, it is enterprise network, that is in the form of organization, one organization. MAN, it is, it has a replacement which is more than captured than LAN. And geographically, mobile phones or cellular data, it is in the form of WAN. I've given range also, so question can come on range also, or question can come on the speed also. So any type of match the following can come. You should be able to make sure that you are making a proper chart, or this type of, even this slide is enough for you to revise, but capacity wise, speed wise, range wise, application wise, it should be all on the tip of your tongue so that you are able to answer the question very well. Okay, so if we see in ICT, we started with what? We started with first understanding the syllabus, what amount of sessions we will be taking for, for going ahead, how we will be taking some extra session for even for the digital initiatives. Then today we just focused on what is, what is computer network. Basically, we understood what is the meaning of computer network, what are its uses. You can get a question on uses also, odd man out also you can get. And we focused on three main types of network, that is LAN, WAN and MAN. But at the same time, we cannot ignore the networks such as PAN as well as CAN as well as SAN. So we basically, if you see, we have studied 6 type of networks, that is PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. Apart from that, we studied CAN and also we studied SAN. So you have 6 type of networks. CAN is a campus area network. Okay, so it will be basically speed is or range is not important. You have to understand it is in the form of what? In this form of campus. And SAN is used for storage. So that you have to remember. Okay, so in the coming classes, this was just a demo class. In the coming classes, we will again start with the basic. We'll just see all the details, especially the topic of memories. In the recent cycle, questions on memories are very much, important. A lot of questions on seen on memories, on digital initiatives, even abbreviation questions, latest digital initiatives also it is capturing. So all this we will be doing in detail in the coming classes. Okay, thank you everyone for this session.